So students, now through this video I'm going to show you the rotation and revolution of the earth, along with it how the tilting of the earth affects the season change and how the day and nights are caused due to the rotation, and how the seasons are caused, change of seasons are caused due to the revolution of the earth. Okay, so carefully watch it. Now you can see on the screen we have got sun. This is sun. This is our earth. This is the axis of the earth. This axis is tilted. It is not straight. It is tilted. And this is the orbit or the path on which the earth revolves around the sun. So this is the orbit. Okay, so these are the basic things which you need to know to understand these videos. Now let's start. Now you can see very well how the earth is moving on its orbit. This motion is called the revolution of the earth. It is revolving around the sun on its own axis. And pay attention that this earth, our earth, is not moving out of its orbit. It is following that green, red, orange and blue line, and it will move on that line only. And also it is moving on its axis, the rotational motion, due to which the days and nights are caused. Now you can see this position of earth. This position we can see here, it's South America, North America, which is behind, and on the other side the sun's rays are falling on the other side of the earth, and this side it is totally dark. This side it is dark. That means this is the night part. On the other side, where the sun's rays are falling directly, it is the day part. That means other part is like Asia, Africa, India, our country India, we are having daytime, and America is having night time. Okay, whereas you can see I'm turning and showing it to you. This is sun, and this is the part of the country or the continents which are having the sunlight at this point of time. Which countries you see? Could you see a map of India? See here, India is having daytime, and on the other side America, South America, North America, they are having the night time. So how rotation causes day and night, you can understand. See, slowly America is moving towards the sun, and India and Africa and all coming, and every time it's rotating, it is just coming, the once Asia and America, Asia, Africa, they are coming towards the sun, and once India is coming to sun, and once America is coming towards the sun. See this position when India is having night time. This is India. It is having night. After this, you see, now America is having night and India is on the other side, it is having day. Okay, so this is how the rotation causes day and night. All right.